In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a CV by email for a job in Outlook. We'll use the Outlook website so you can share your resume quickly and professionally from any browser. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, open the official Microsoft Outlook website to arrive at your mailbox. Using the web version keeps the steps consistent, whether you're on a laptop or a desktop. Once you're in your inbox, click New Mail to start a fresh message. In the To field, add the recipient's email address carefully to avoid typos. A quick double check here helps make sure your message reaches the right person the first time. You have two ways to include your CV. The first is to place it directly in the email body so it's instantly visible. To do this, open your CV on your computer, select all the text, and copy it. Return to your new message in Outlook and paste. Take a moment to scan the formatting. Sometimes spacing, headings, or bullets can shift when text moves from a document into an email editor. Use the formatting tools to tidy anything that looks off so your CV remains clean and easy to read on both desktop and mobile. The second option is to attach your CV as a file. In the message window, choose Insert, then select Attach File. Next, click Browse this computer to open your file chooser. Navigate to the folder where your CV is saved and select the file. If you have a PDF version, that's often the safest choice because it preserves layout and fonts. After you pick the file, Outlook will attach it to your draft so the recipient can download or print it exactly as you designed. Either approach works well. Pasting your CV makes it immediately scannable in the message, while attaching a file preserves the original formatting. Many people do both, a clean, readable version in the body and the polished file attached, so it's easy to review and also ready to save. Before moving on, glance over the recipient field and confirm the correct file is attached. A clear, professional file name helps your document stand out and makes it easier for hiring teams to find later. That's all there is to it. You've opened Outlook, started a message, added the recipient, pasted your CV if you want it visible right away, and attached the file for a polished, print-ready copy. With these options, you can present your experience clearly and professionally in just a few clicks.